Beautifully refinished and updated 2 bedrooms, 2 bathroom ground floor condo located in the highly popular waterfront community of Gulf Harbors. In 2025 installed, HVAC, electrical panel, hurricane windows, plumbing and sewer brought up to current code. HOA installed roof in 2022. FEMA will replace entry doors and new kitchen countertop is scheduled. This wonderful end unit is light and bright and has many features including new luxury vinyl plank flooring throughout, large kitchen with an abundance of solid wood cabinets and counter space. Both bathrooms have been tastefully updated. Spacious master bedroom with large walk-in closet and private bath. The unit also comes with its own covered assigned parking space as well as a private exterior storage closet on the same floor. In 2026 Hours.O.A. will be painting the outside and re-landscaping. This charming community offers 3 clubhouses, 2 large pools, 1 heated and on the waterfront, shuffleboard, barbecue grill areas, bocce ball, billiards, poker tables, fitness, laundry facilities, many scheduled events and 24-hour security. Take an evening stroll along the intercoastal waterway, only steps away, to watch the dolphins and manatees play and see amazing sunsets. The condo fee covers all exterior care, roof, master and flood insurance, basic cable, water, sewer, and trash. For an additional $200 yearly, you have the option to join Gulf Harbor's beautiful private sandy beach offering cabanas, picnic tables and grills located on the Gulf of America and overlooking beautiful Anclote Key. Just a short ride from lively downtown New Port Richey with many restaurants, bars, shops, and Sims Park. Close to all shopping, restaurants, medical needs, Tampa Airport and more. A home away from home or living all year around will certainly satisfy your Florida lifestyle. Fantastic opportunity for snowbirds to occupy and rent during the off-season.